Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 3604 Sungrove Circle in Sanford, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. It's in a gated community with a community pool, and hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. Washer and dryer room. You have your 2-car garage in there. Over here you have what could be your dining room or another sitting area in this space here. Over here to the left we have your first bathroom. You also have a linen closet. So here's your first bathroom. It's a tub shower combo, and then here's a linen closet for you, and then there's also a coat closet over here as well, followed by the 2 guest bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 1 and then bedroom number 2. We'll move towards the back of the house, where we have your kitchen with granite countertops. You have stainless steel appliances. You're able to put stools over here just like they have them there. And this is your living room. We'll step to the back of the house. You have an open patio, covered patio, with a fenced yard. This is a corner lot, so you do have some good amount of space outside the fence for your kids to play. And then right over here is your master bedroom. Walk-in closet. And then here's your master bathroom. Stand-up shower. Two double sinks over here. And there you have it. This is your 3604 Sungrove Circle property. This is Legends Realty. Thank you for coming.